Well, the month of September is National Suicide Prevention Month. It's a time to spread a message of hope and help.
There are resources right here in Lincoln that are readily available to anyone who may be struggling. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Brianna Campbell has the details in this morning's top story.
Hi, good morning, Kennedy and Owen. I spoke to a suicide survivor who says helping others with their mental health struggles has helped her combat her own.
Each year, more than 1 million people attempt suicide in the U.S. For Noelle, that attempt came at a young age.
When I was a freshman, I actually attempted suicide, and I am a survivor.
Thankfully, she was able to get help with her mental health and became a member of the Bryan Community Hope Squad.
And I know if I'm helping others, that could possibly prevent them from going through what I went through.
Hope Squads provide peer-to-peer support in area schools for anyone who may be struggling.
They often know who's struggling before we as adults do, and it's a building a sense of connection and community within the schools to bring the message of hope and help.
The Hope Squads work in connection with Hope LNK, a coalition of Lincoln organizations all working to let people know help is out there.
Bringing hope to our city by having individuals that say, I'm willing to speak up, bring hope. I'll use my position of influence to talk to people about what this is.
With September being Suicide Prevention Month, Hope LNK is also trying to destigmatize talking about suicide, including in the language we use. For example, saying someone committed suicide can have negative connotations.
It provides us with an idea that as a community there's really nothing we can do. It's happening, it's negative, where the reality is when we talk about it, when we speak up, when we bring hope, we change these numbers.
For Noelle, she hopes this month people keep in mind mental health is just as important as physical health.
If someone came to you, oh, I have a headache, you help them with that, so same way. So people just need to be judgment-free and be more open-minded.
She reminds anyone who is struggling to take it step by step.
You have to take not even one day at a time. You have to take one breath at a time. You just got to keep breathing. You got to stay calm. You just kind of have to take it minute by minute.
Now, if you or someone you know is struggling, you can go to hopelnk.org or call the National Suicide Hotline. It's there on your screen, 1-800-273-8255.
Now, there is such a stigma around mental health issues. I'm sure Noelle doesn't even realize how many people she's helping when she talks about her own struggles.
Yes, and that's what she said too. She's like, I hope that someone sees this and they're able to reach out for help, because that ultimately is what helps her and helps the others that she works with.